So we got this Chevy Silverado 2014, and I think the engine size is a 5.3 liter. So we're having a problem starting it. Sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes not the tank, it start up. Sometimes it start up, run, and then it shut off by itself. But we also can hear the fuel pump is running. So we did remove the line from the injector rail to see if we're getting any gas coming up. But while the pump is running, there's no gas coming up. So we do get in codes. Did scan it and get in some codes. Let's see what the code we get in. So we did scan it and we're getting some code for the fuel pressure sensor performance, and that's the P018. Also the fuel tank pressure, and also mobilizer that wasn't there before. But also getting the fuel pump flow performance. As I said, we can hear the pump. Running, but there's no gas. There's no fuel coming up. So the customer already buy the pump already, and so we're just gonna drop the gas tank, check the pump out to see if there's a break in line or losing gas somewhere, or the pump is just no good. But since we already got the pump, so we're just gonna remove the pump. So we already got the vehicle up in the air, make sure I catch the wheels and stuff. So I'm just working by myself today, so let's go. Seems like it's about to rain, so hopefully I can finish before the rain start up and stuff. Okay, so we got this cover off. It got three 13mm bolt or half-inch bolt, whichever socket will fit in. So we got that cover off. Let's release the fuel line, the hoses that go towards the fuel tank. So that seems like it's a flat point, or 8mm would fit in. So I have to remove the nozzle. Alright, so now that we got the hose off, let's move to the front and disconnect whatever connection is here. That's one right there. I guess the fuel line up top right here. I'm not sure if it can. So that one connection. So now we're gonna try to remove the fuel line on top. That's it, right there with the blue connection. Yes, that's the only connection right there. So now it's raining. So I set my jack, and let's pull these. It's 215. Sure, wearing the glasses, so that thing don't get me a high. Jeez. So now we got both strap removed. So now we got both strap removed. So let's lower the tank. Gas tank is down. It's raining. This thing feels like it don't. Feel like it don't have any gas. But the gauge is reading that it's like have like almost half tank of gas, but there's no gas in it, so that could be the problem. Customer maybe think gas in it when gas is not.